So, I'm going to take you along the third coat of doing this. So this is what I like to do. First things first, I put my sandpaper in there, let it soak up some water, then get your hose pipe and just wet the van down. So it's already a bit wet when you start. Obviously if there is anything on the van, it helps get that off a little bit. The van's very clean anyway. Yeah, just wet it down. Always use a block of wood or sanding block. Saves you using your fingers, get fingerprint marks everywhere. That's what I always got told. Now off you go. Just remember, keep your sandpaper nice and wet. Don't let it dry up. That last little bit I did, that was 800 grit. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see, hopefully you can, but there was, it rained last time, and there's like raindrops in it. Hopefully you guys can see. I managed to get most of it out. You need to go around the edges. Got some more 800 grit, and there's a couple of little bits, like just there, if you can see it, yeah. A little bit of paint run. Gonna go over most of the van with that next bit of 800 grit, get all of it a little bit rougher, and then I'm gonna go over it again with some 2000 grit, and then it will be time for some paint. We'll dry it, clean it off and paint. Gone over the whole van now with a mixture of 2000, well 800 and 2000. Everything's flatted back. Might need to do the bonnet again, but everything's all smoothened off and sanded down. Got a nice little bit of a key ready for paint. Just need to let it dry for a minute and then go over it with some alcohol stuff to make sure it's all clean, and then paint. I don't know if I ever did show you guys, but obviously I was sanding the van down and getting it ready for paint, and I have actually finished it now. Very pleased with the outcome. So this is how it's turned out. Ignore the fact it's close to a wall, but I'll chuck some pictures up on the screen so you can see it a bit better. But it's come out very well. A lot. Yeah, you can just about see it there. Look, there's a lot of orange peel, or some of you guys might call it like eggshelling, but there's a lot of that all over it. But I don't know if you can remember, this panel had a lot of like water drops on it, just eggshelling, or whatever you want to call it. But everything is now done. My rear windscreen wiper delete. Very, very pleased with how this turned out. So probably give it a couple of weeks now, just to cure properly. Go over it, sand it down, give it a good buffer, and done. Gonna go across and do like the black trim, get all that re-black again. I was gonna go cream, but I think black's the way forward. Redo them again, and also do the roof. Got a lot of masking tape marks all over it, as well as you can see there, all over the windows. So I'm going to go across and get rid of all that. So, but no, very pleased with the outcome. Very pleased. Like I said, got to do the roof yet. That's going black. That should be easy. It's a very big, easy space. Don't see a lot of it anyway. It's only sort of this bit and a bit at the front and a little bit at the back you see. And I will be putting solar panels up here. And a little roof rack for mine and the kids' bikes. So yeah, very pleased. Anyway, if you like this, please hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already and want to see more from me or my Audi or this VW van, please hit that subscribe button. Any comments, go down in that comment section below. Leave it there. I will get back to you. Until the next one, guys.